G'day folks, this video I'm going to bring you along and give you an update on my aquaponic system and how it's going. It's the 25th of the 11th 2020 and let's go and have a look and see how my aquaponic system is doing. Hope everyone's doing well. If you are a new person to my channel and like what I do at the end of this video, hit that subscribe button and bell and YouTube will let you know when I upload a new video. Okay folks, let's get to it. Okay, this is my aquaponics system. And quarantine tank, fish tanks down the back. Okay, so let's take a look at my aquaponics system. First up we have the quarantine tank. Okay, it's a chop and flip. Lava rock or lava stones in the top, so I grow everything in lava stone or lava rock. Pump down the bottom, pumps water up to a T section that tees off, so it tees off into a tap which goes into my grow bed. Now the tap is so I can adjust the flow into the grow bed to basically to whatever water flow I want into my grow bed at the time. From there the teeth section runs back to the tank, where the tap is there, down into the tank, and as you can see there, PVC pipe with holes drilled in it, creating air bubbles to aerate my water. Now this tap, I can adjust that airflow so I can turn it off if I need to. I can turn it back on to slow, a little bit faster, or fully on. Now this tank is called a quarantine tank because this is where I put all my new fish in. So my new fish go into here. At the moment no fish, so I'm just supplementing it. Bit like a hydroponics system. Just supplementing it, and when I get my new fish I'll stop doing that. It's also a herb garden that I'm starting, so at the moment I've got garlic, chives, mint, sweet basil, a few other bits and pieces in here, some rocket, trying to get some dill going, got some parsley just there, yeah, all coming along well. So that's my quarantine tank, which goes off into a bigger system. This is my fish tank. This is where I grow out my fish. There will be another tank put in just here. That's a couple of Dutch buckets I'm growing there. Yeah, so this tank is my main tank at the moment. About 18 goldfish in here, reasonable size. Tank temperature is running at about 25. We're into summer now. There's my goldfish. That's basically my fish tank. The goldfish will go to the sump tank when I get more fish in, which hopefully will be soon. From there it runs into a filter. This is my filter. Won't go into it, but that's my filter. And into my grow beds. some tanks underneath there. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grow beds and a heap of Dutch buckets in the system. First one here is cucumbers. There's a few cucumbers on here at the moment, not doing too bad. So there's cucumbers just there. Yeah, it's not doing too bad. We're just trying it out with this shade cloth. We've got a young disabled boy and we'll put heavy shade cloth on here. It's a 90% because he likes walking around the vegetables and checking them all out. Down the back there we have corn. Just starting to flower off, and seed at the moment I'm sort of hand seeding them by shaking them a bit. That's bed 1. Bed 2 we've got peppers or capsicums growing in here at the moment. They're not looking too bad, as you can see, not too bad, but we'll see how they go. This is the first full year that we're gonna get to see what they're gonna grow like. Corn in the next bed, all I'm doing with them to try and hand pollinate is I'm just holding it there, as you can see, shaking. Just doing it that way to see if I can get it to fertilise itself. More peppers in bed 3. They're doing a bit better than the other ones, but no sign of peppers on there at the moment. Yeah, but you're not doing too bad. Next bed is more cucumbers. This pipe here has celery in it. Just trying it out by putting a pipe on to get the celery to grow up and thicken out. So there's a heap of cucumbers in there as well that I will start training up now. They're getting big enough. The reason I put this cloth on, or this netting on, is the sparrows were eating my spinach. As you can see by this one here, that's what the sparrows were doing on my spinach. So basically what I've done is put the netting over just to give it a chance to grow back out. My temporary grow bed that I had to rush to put in for the tomatoes, well, as you can see, all the cherry tomatoes growing really good. Really impressed with it. So hopefully we'll get a heap of cherry tomatoes soon. So that's basically all the grow beds down this way, and they've all got lava rock in them. Yep, not doing too bad. Blue bucket is sweet potato. I water it by using water from the system. As you can see how well it's growing. This pipe here is the water pipe. I just open it up and let it run for a little bit and give it a good water. Dutch buckets, these tomatoes that you're seeing here at this side, Gross Lisa tomatoes, or make a bit of tomato paste. Quite a few on there. Few in there, down there, up here. Some. And I started pruning them from the bottom the other day, so you can sort of see tomatoes. These tomatoes just here are the first lot that's set, so they're looking quite nice and big. The stones in here is also lava rock, drip fed, dripper drains out into a pipe that drains down back and up into the grow bed, into the stump. Grow bed, I don't know why I said that. So yeah, that's Gross Lisa tomatoes doing quite well. My seed growing area has only got one tomato and a cucumber that need transplanting over there. Otherwise there's nothing in there at the moment. Duckweed's going good. I'm starting to dry it now and put it away to get ready to make my own fish food. This is probably the best performer at the moment, which is the cherry tomatoes, as you can see. So they've really taken off well. They're probably the best performing out of the whole lot. A lot of tomatoes on there, as you can see. There's a heap of tomatoes on it. So should start getting a few soon to eat, I hope. But yeah, looking quite well, healthy. Had to put the temporary thing up here, just that they're growing so big and tall. I didn't expect them to grow this well, but yeah, obviously they do. So that's a look at my system and update at the moment. Hope everyone's doing well. If you like what I do and would like to subscribe, hit that subscribe button and bell, and YouTube will let you know what's going on. Future videos, growing black soldier flies for food for my fish will be a future video, and how that works, and yeah, just going from there. So that would be my next video or future video that I'm working on. Yep, any comments, whack them down in the comments section. Any suggestions, let me know. Anything that you'd like to know about, let me know, and I might be able to do a video to help you out. Okay folks, hope everyone is having a good day, and I shall catch you next video.